Hello sir, my name is Sunny Khatik. I am from CE76 and my roll number is 061. As you can see, I have prepared my online music streaming app with a client and server side. So using one technology basically, and I have run a script from server side npm start and node started, and it is currently listening on port 5000, and in client side I have started npm I have fired a command npm start, and it is compiled successfully and it is listening on localhost 3000. So it is my application's UI, and here as you can see, it has popular Bollywood song, Bollywood albums, and Hollywood trends also is there, and Hindi ghazals is there as a playlist type. Genre is as a list of genre, and as you can see, there is a slider running on every time, and it has a fixed on sometime, and it is going to slide. If we can hover our mouse, then it is not going to slide, and when we can unhover it, and it is going to slide. Okay, so and I also have prepared my UI so it can respond accordingly. So as you can see, it is a it is UI, so it is responding accordingly in Galaxy S5, Pixel, iPhone X, and G. So it is basically a responsive application. So apart from that, it will fetch data from YouTube API, and will going to play a song. So I am going to play it. So it will render sometime, and then it will start playing. So music started, and I can pause it. So it is downside as a footer. You can see there is a we can seek music, okay, like that. Okay, and after that, sorry, after that I can use these also buttons, but I have one UI dark light. So when you can see, it is turned into light and it is turned into dark now, and we can okay, so it all is working, and it is a one type of shuffle loop and all this, and in currently playlist there is only one song. We can delete that song. Okay, so now there is no song, so it is suggesting that there is no song, and we can let us do one thing. We can select 1, 2, 3 song. So we have selected this Hollywood 20 Party, this Jubin Nautiyal and Remix. So as you can see, song has started, and
और
there
सुनना
is
है
a
तो
two
सब्सक्राइब
song in
करो
a
टी
playlist.
सीरीज।
One is playing and two is there. Okay, and as you can see, we can do one thing. We can going to see it in a responsive way. So when we are going to shrink it, so it is going to responsive, and at some moment it will take like this. So as you can see, it is a light theme, it is a dark theme. Okay, apart from that, when we can select a playlist, so it will toggle like this, and it is there is basically some effect added, UI effect. Okay, uh, if we select light mode, so it is a light mode. Basically it is for phone. As you can see, it is phone UI, and we can click on it, so it will going to show us. We can also do delete. We can also delete this playlist. So there is a no song in a playlist. Okay, now so what we can do, let us search some song. So I'm using search, and I'll going to search, let us say Harry Potter. Not that, let us search new song Radha. Okay, and I'll going to hit enter. So Radha, related Radha, there is a lots of song is there, and as you can see, Hindi ghazals and our Hollywood album is after that. So it is a search result by YouTube API. We have used it. So I am going to play it. So it will take some time to load. Okay, so it is added in a playlist. So it is basically a user customer oriented design. You can see, and we can open it. So it is started playing. So here you can see play in order. So if we can add a single loop. So what is going to done? The song will play automatically twice. Okay, 312. Okay, and the song is playing started from start, because the song is started playing because we started a loop in it. Okay, so as we can see, we can add these 3 songs. So it is going to take some time, and started a new song, and Radha is also added, and top 10 is also added, because I have added 3 songs. So it is going to add 3. Double click on it. Okay, so it is added 2 times. So as you can see, 3 songs is there in a playlist. Okay, and we can also change our UI mode from it, and we let us say so we can also cut it and delete it. Let us say user want to see user want to take song offline. So what he can do one thing. He can only he can select it as a play like that, and what he can do, just wait a minute, it will going to fetch data. So it is fetch data. He can do it offline. So the song is, we can download this song, and it is downloaded in our system. So in downloads, we can see the song has downloaded. So it is in our local machine. So it is downloaded in our application. That's it from my side. Thank you, sir.